Athena, come on, let's go. We have places to go. Because today, there's a car show. What car show is this?
Some classic car show.
Some classic car show, but we're here to say hello to Brian's dad and just to be out in the sunshine. It is so hot today. So hot, but so beautiful, lovely California. So, welcome to the car show. So I wore something special, a nice long pretty dress, and I decided that I would go ahead and dress Athena up to match. So today we match. I couldn't get Brian to wear the same thing, he just wouldn't put it on.
As I looked around my possibilities, I was so hard to please.
I love these things.
Yeah, they're fun.
Oh, look, giving you like a little mini tour. And let's look at, okay, so there's everything up here. Little Frigidaire. Oh my gosh, a little bed and wooden. Look at the, it's got the cabinet space up here. Wow, I love this. I want one. I love it. I love it. 1947. So there is our dad right there.
With his hat.
With his hat and his car.
Very good. Hey, champ. How are you? Congratulations. Boy, a big winner, huh? Oh, boy.
Hello.
Hi, honey.
How are you?
Oh, Kim.
Hey, Red.
It's the Less Than Zero car. One of my favorite movies is Less Than Zero, and I was obsessed with that movie. And there was this kind of a car. I don't even know if it's the same year or not, but this is the kind of car that was in the movie. Oh, I want to cry. I'm obsessed. This is so beautiful. Look at. Of course, we have to say our favorite car is our dad's car, right?
But it doesn't have any mileage on it. And it's a stick shift.
Where's he going? Now the family's here, he's out of here?
No, he's just
He said as soon as you guys leave, I'm out of here.
Yeah. I like this car because look, it has matching luggage on the top. Check this out. Car color, luggage. The American dream, right?
Thanks for bringing that car. Hi, Athena. Hi, Athena. Bye, Athena.
It's Athena.
Lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me.
What I think is the coolest part about like those old car shows is there's a bunch of like old guys, including our dad there, who just go back there just to kind of like relive their youth of like they now finally have their, you know, big dream car that they wanted their whole life, and now they finally have it. And I think that's why they like to like relive it with the old music playing and the old cars. It's like nostalgia from their youth.
I agree.
Don't you think that that's why they go, and what is really fun about it for them?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So does that mean that when we're older, we go to a car show, we'll go to look at Mazdas?
I'm pretty sure when we're older we won't go to car shows. Because you still have to be a car person.
Yeah.
We're not car people.
I have like some hair in my head. No, I'm not a car person, but I do like nice cars, and I liked those old, big, classic, funky-looking cars.
You
Cause
like classic engine.
yeah.
Carry on. Let us run together out of all. Let us stand together when we fall. Carry on. Remedy. Lay your hands upon me, all of me. Say you will forever come to me. Remedy. Sanity. Lay your
So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to hear your comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. There's a little bell by it. Click on that, and life is golden. So just remember that you're awesome. I love you, and I'll be here tomorrow. Will you?